Let's get real. Studying for 3 hours? That's warm up. 6 hours? Respect. But if you're preparing for NEET, SAT, UPSC, MCAT, LSAT, A levels, CSAT, bar exam, finals, midterms, or whatever monster exam is chasing you, you need to go beast mode. We're talking 10 plus hours a day. Not once, not twice, every single day. But here's the catch. Most students can't maintain it. They start strong, then crash. One bad day becomes two, then a week, and suddenly you're stuck in a cycle of guilt and regret. Let's break that cycle forever. The problem. It doesn't matter if you're in India, the US, the Philippines, Nigeria, Japan, Canada, Germany, or anywhere else. The grind is global. The pressure is real. And the secret is this. It's not just about how many hours you study. It's about how you build the momentum, sustain it, and bounce back when life punches you in the face. So how do you actually study 10 hours a day and keep it up? Let's break it down. Build study stamina like a gym workout. You wouldn't run 10 kilometers on day one without dying. Same goes for studying. Start with blocks, not hours. Train your brain with focused sessions like 4 sessions of 90 minutes, 3 sessions of 60 minutes, around 9 to 10 hours, but with real concentration. Use tools like active recall, past papers, Pomodoro, 45 to 15 or 50 to 10, mind maps, spaced repetition, no fake studying allowed. Scrolling plus textbook equals delusion. Real studying equals solving, summarizing, testing, teaching. How to maintain this every single day. Trick 1. Ritual equals results. Start at the same time. Same corner, same setup. Your brain will be like, oh damn, it's grind time. Consistency starts with repetition. Trick 2. Protect the first 2 hours of your day. No social media, no distractions, no just 5 minutes kitty scrolls. Start strong equals carry strong. Trick 3. Accept the boring days. Some study sessions will feel fire. Some will feel like chewing cardboard. That's normal. Push through both. Progress doesn't need to feel magical. It just needs to happen. Breaking the on-off cycle. This is for the students who keep saying, I was doing so well, but then I just fell off. Let's fix that. Step 1. Notice the early warning signs. 1 lazy day? Fine. 2? Watch out. 3? That's the start of a full-blown collapse. Get back on track before the guilt kicks in. Pro tip, journal your study flow. What broke it? What distracted you? What will you change tomorrow? Step 2, build in recovery days. Studying for 10 hours a day equals mental athlete mode. Athletes rest too. Take 1 light day every 6 to 7 days. Review, walk, sleep. Don't feel guilty. It's part of the plan. Environment hacks for students anywhere in the world. Clean your desk equals clean your mind. Use noise-canceling headphones or white noise. Phone equals flight mode, or literally toss it in another room. Apps to save your life. Forest, Notion, Google Calendar, Anki, Study Bunny, Cold Turkey. Bonus, join a virtual study group. From Dubai to Dallas. Students all over the world are on Discord, Study With Me live streams, and Pomodoro Zoom rooms. Find your tribe. Stay accountable. Brain plus body equals study like a legend. Don't forget, mind plus body plus rest equals unstoppable focus. Eat high-energy foods, protein, fiber, water. Take short walks, not just chair rotting. Sleep at least 7 hours. Cut sugar, cut energy drinks. You need real focus, not fake boosts. Your brain is not a USB, it needs care. Wherever you are in the world, your exam might be different. Your syllabus might be different. But your dream, your discipline, and your desire to win, that's universal. You're not weak. You're just waiting for your system. Now you've got it. No more waiting. No more wasting. Let's turn "I'll try again tomorrow" into "I conquered today." Drop a comment. I'll show up for myself tomorrow. Doesn't matter if you're from India, Ghana, Brazil, Japan, or Egypt. We're all in this together. Tell me where you're watching from and how many hours you're aiming for tomorrow. Share this with your study partner. Like, subscribe, and come back whenever you fall off. This video will pull you back in.